my name is Ali Asghar Sogyawala, and I built GhostFilter AI, a safety firewall for people and AI agents. People receive suspicious messages asking for money, passwords, or OTPs. AI agents face a related problem when emails, web pages, or documents contain instructions designed to manipulate the agent. GhostFilter handles both problems in one product. It detects scams and phishing for people, while the GhostGPT Firewall stops prompt injection before unsafe content reaches an AI agent. The system combines local machine learning, deterministic security checks, email and link analysis, threat intelligence, and selective AI review. Instead of returning only a score, GhostFilter explains what it found and gives the user a clear next step. I'll quickly sign up. Scan history and connected accounts are private, so GhostFilter uses real user accounts backed by Convex. As passwords are also never stored as plain text, all passwords are salted and hashed with a script before it is saved. This is the main GhostFilter dashboard. Scam Shield can inspect a message, email, link, or a supported file. So first I will paste an Instagram message over here. Let's say and I've clicked on check now. It will run its script. As you can see, GhostFilter identifies the fake support claim, urgency, and OTP request. The result includes a verdict, confidence score, highlighted evidence, and individual detection layers that contributed to the decision. It also gives a practical recommendation. In this case, the user should not share the OTP and should verify the account directly through Instagram. In cases of emails, we also get all the header listings and all that over here. It will also detect an impersonation scam like as you can see. It also handles short informal messages. This message may not look like traditional spams, but it combines a payment request with an unverified identity claim. The deterministic social engineering layer catches that combination even when the statistical model is less confident. Next, we can go on link detection and yeah, here you go. So for links, GhostFilter checks shortened URLs, redirects, lookalike domains, and domain reputation. It also provides virus total reputation information, while URL scan can create a sandbox preview without opening the suspicious page in the user's browser. So, for example, if I put in a website and go on check now, it will analyze the website and URL scan will get me the sandbox snapshot of the website's page, so I don't have to open it to check what it is. So we will get back to this. As you can see over here, it shows me the URL scan as well as the entire metrics. Then if you go to file, over here you can upload a file and it will also give you a similar check. Moving on to the GhostGPT Firewall. This this section helps us with uh, safety against prompt injection. So if I just tell it, as you can see, this mode protects AI agents rather than only the person reading the message. The firewall detects instruction override, system prompt extraction, secret exfiltration, and unsafe tool use. GhostFilter returns one of three decisions: pass, isolate, or block. As you can see here, it says block. This example is blocked because it tries to override the agent, access secrets, and upload private data. GhostFilter also creates a safe context wrapper, a safe context wrapper, which marks the original content as untrusted data and tells the agent not to treat instructions inside it as authority. This lets an agent preserve useful information without blindly following malicious commands. GhostFilter can scan approved content from Gmail, Google Drive, GitHub, and Slack. These integrations request read-only permissions. OAuth tokens are encrypted before storage and are never exposed to the browser. Personal messaging platforms such as WhatsApp and Telegram use manual paste because a normal web application cannot read private encrypted conversations. So I'll just give you a quick demo of one of the things. So if I go to connect Gmail, continue, continue, continue. So I'm connected over here, and if I click on inbox, it will automatically load around 15 to 25 mails, and similarly it will scan and give me all the results for the same. Moving on to the profile analytics page. Over here you can get all the analytics of all your results, which are tied to every authenticated user. The history view supports search, filtration, and deletion as well. Just a second. Dashboard, where you can filter your you can filter everything over here. And yeah, moving on to Ghosti. Ghosti is the conversational safety assistant which focuses on scams, phishing, suspicious links, account security, and AI safety. It uses GhostFilter's local evidence to ground its answer rather than relying only on a language model. When the answer appears locally, Ghosti can use an open source model through Olama. If that model is unavailable in production, deterministic safety rules provide that fallback answer. Ghosti also redirects unrelated questions and clearly states that it can make mistakes. We also have a CLI package, an NPM package, which provides us with an SDK of GhostFilter, so that you can integrate it with other apps as well and in your own projects and code bases as well. So for that we can head on to npm GhostFilter, and over here you can you have commands to scan and check data pipelines and all that. So it can, like, you can use the GhostFilter npm package and pass it on to a text file using the CLI commands, and it will scan it and tell you everything which you need to know. Along with that, we also have a browser extension called GhostFilter Guard. You put your your API based URL, the firewall API key. This is still in development and very, like, in the the starting stages. So yeah, as of now this is just a demo. You guys may not be able to try it for yourself, but then I can scan selected text, or I can scan the whole page, and Ghosti will review it for me from here. So as of now, that's mainly all of it. And on the closing note, I would just want to conclude by saying that GhostFilter brings human scam protection and AI agent security into one explainable system. It is available as a deployed web application, a browser extension, prototype, a documented API, and the published GhostFilter AI NPM package. Our goal is simple: check untrusted content before a person acts on it, or an AI agent treats it as instructions. Thank you for watching.